Being an independent journalist and a Dalit is not easy in this country. A journalist was beaten till his head bled. Lakhan Salvi, a 42-year-old independent journalist in Udaipur, was beaten up on August 19 just for doing his job. He was recording people's voice outside the SDM's office when a local stringer named Gopal Lodha interrupted his work. And then he abused him about his caste, called him at least 15 times, and then attacked him with a sharp object. He got severe injuries around his body and his head was bleeding. Some locals took Salvi to a nearby hospital. Gopal followed and barged in and hit him again from behind when the nurses were treating his wounds. The CCTV footage shows the accused running out of the hospital. But this attack was not a random one. Salvi has reported on Gopal's brother ages ago, exposing lapse on Anganwadi records. And since then, Gopal allegedly targeted him on social media. Salvi had filed a complaint in 2025, 10 months ago, but nobody reacted. And now this has happened. Salvi has told The Quint, if they had registered an FIR back then, this would not have happened today. What does a journalist or a citizen of this country have to do to be heard? Lakhan Salvi is an independent Dalit journalist who have spent a decade reporting the truth in Udaipur's Gokunda. The system he reported on failed to protect him and then turned around and filed a case against him. And this is not an attack on just one journalist. We have already seen this multiple times when an independent journalist have tried to voice up against the system.